Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Donna, the Blissful Planner, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider sticking around a little bit and watching this video, giving me a thumbs up, and I also hope that you will consider subscribing. If you're new to my channel, I'm pretty new at this myself. I've been doing it for a few months now, and this is my social media planner. And I basically am just here to enjoy my planning adventures for myself and for you guys. So if you have an idea that you would like to get out there and you'd like to see somebody do before you go to the trouble of trying to figure it out, let me know. I'd be more than happy to do that for you. And please leave a comment. And I hope that you all will consider leaving likes. It really does help my channel. It helps me to grow. And I hope that you will subscribe and stay subscribed. Because it really, really does help me out. All right, today I'm doing something super simple. I've pre-pulled my stickers. I do that a lot to try to save time for my viewers. The books that I have used are Colorful Boxes, Girl Power. I think I got a couple out of Brights, and Live Love Posh. So let's get started. Keeping this pretty simple, blue and gold. Those were my school colors. And this spread is to help me to feel inspired. So I hope that it will somehow inspire you as well. I'm going to keep on trucking. When it comes right down to this whole planner thing, I want to do it, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to succeed. Sometimes determination is all you need. So there's that. I'm going to put down my sidebar here. This is basically a planner where I track my followers, I track my subs, comments, all my analytics. I try to keep track of all that as well. Just things like that so that I can figure out what I'm doing. I'm also recently just got a subscription to TubeBuddy, and I'm really trying to figure out the whole analytic thing from a YouTube perspective to try to help me grow my channel. So I'm just going to sort of lay that over that. Pull this up. I just wanted a very little bit of floral today. I didn't want to overdo it because, like I said, this is a social media planner. And I just want enough to inspire. It doesn't have to be, you know, blinged out to the nines. So there's my sidebar and my basic corner. Now, like I said, I'm going to try to keep this super simple, not get too crazy. Just keep it, it's like a work planner. It doesn't have to be all over the place. These are basically lists that I can create for content. That's what I do here. And video ideas. I also like to do that. Put down some task dots. Oops. That thing is such a little tiny thing, it's hard to get hold of there. Put that there. Just try to play around with some different shape boxes as well, because sometimes I get a lot of inspiration from the other YouTubers that I watch, and you know, they play around with a lot of different shapes sometimes, and I just think it's sort of genius because I just think it's new and different and unique. So I took these two halves. I'm going to try to offset it just a hair. Yeah, I'm going to keep it just something a little funky. and a little different. I thought that would be something you guys might like. So let's do one of these strips. Oops. It's way too high. There we go. Trying to improve my video quality some. If you have any suggestions, I appreciate those. I take constructive criticism very well, always have. I don't mind that at all, as long as it's done in kindness and not crudeness. I don't have a problem with it. Okay, and I love this. I don't know if y'all remember the song. I love these glasses, and I love me some cat eyes. I mean, you can tell from my picture on my YouTube channel and my Instagram that I love me some cat eyes. So this is going to go about like here. Yeah. I don't know if you all remember the song from back in the day. I'm going to be giving away some serious age here. Futures, this little thing here says, future is looking bright. Remember the song, My Future's So Bright I Have to Wear Shades? Well, that's why I put those glasses in there. Because I thought, you know what? I'm going to make my future bright. And I might have to wear me some shades. I just, you know, it's a mindset. You know, set your mind and keep it set. And that's what I'm doing. I'm setting my mind and I'm keeping it set. And I'm just going to move on down the road. I do have some little things here. I'm going to put this at the bottom. I do journal pretty much every day. So that's just sort of a reminder. And then on Sundays, I like to get into my gratitude for the week. I do focus on a daily thing. And I just feel like it's really super important to do that. And I just wanted to put some little squiggles here. I just thought these were so, I love these little squiggly things. I think they're so cute, the little arrows. All right, guys, that was super easy, super simple, and plenty of room, plenty of white space to still use without being cluttered up or too busy. So, like I said, I wanted to keep it simple. It's the week of January the 11th through the 17th. Again, books used were Live, Love, Posh, Brights, Girl Power, and Colorful Boxes. If you like this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really greatly appreciate it. And thank you for taking some time today to watch me plan. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.